Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell 16 plus 2-in-1 driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. Okay. After that click on support and then click on driver and download. Then if you know about your laptop service tag serial number, so you can enter and search. Otherwise you can don't know, you just enter the model number of your laptop. Dell 16 plus. So you can see Dell 16 plus two more systems, so all driver installations process same. Select which is using, but driver installations driver download process same. So you can see after that there are two method, automatic and manually. So automatic means guys, you just click to update, so your required driver it will show and you can install. Okay, if you install manually one by one, so please select this one. Okay, this is your system and then click on categorize. Okay, so all one by one, BIOS, dark, USB and all. Okay, so scroll down, you can see audio driver, and this is audio driver. So I already downloaded. After download, just open it, then click yes. Then you install directly, so you can select this. If you want to extend after that install, so you can select second. Next, now you can see the Realtek audio driver is installing. Click on OK and cancel.